Thomas has many loads today. First, he must take a load of eggs to the village. There are two paths Thomas could take. One track is long and flat. The other one is bumpy. Thomas knows eggs break on bumpy track. Which track do you think he should take? That's right. He'll take the long and bumpy road, and the eggs will break anyway. Now Thomas has to take a load of chickens to the farm. There are two tracks he could take. One is the fast expressway. The other is the slow branch line. Thomas knows chickens get frightened if they move too quickly. Which track do you think Thomas should take? That's right, the fast expressway. So Thomas could go so fast, then he'll get a red signal. Then he'll stop, and the hens will make a ruckus. Finally, Thomas has to take a sailboat to the harbor. Once again, there are two tracks he should take. He could take the windy track along the cliffs. Or he could take the smooth one along the branch line. Thomas knows winds can tamper with a sailboat and make him go too fast. So, once again, which one do you think he should take? That's right, he'll take the coastal track, go too fast, and miss everyone. Well done!